Welcome to CodeChef. Today, we are going to learn about the fundamental operations of a stack, push and pop. A stack is a data structure that follows the last in, first out, LIFO principle. This means the last element added is the first one to be removed. There are two primary operations in a stack. Push adds an element to the top of the stack. Pop removes the top element from the stack. Let's see how these operations work in action. Let's start by pushing elements into the stack. The size of our stack is 5. Pushed element 1, pushed element 2, pushed element 3, pushed element 4, pushed element 5. Now, the stack is full. Let's pop elements from the stack. Popped element 5, popped element 4, popped element 3, popped element 2, popped element 1. Now, the stack is empty. Let's look at how this is implemented in code. This is the push function. It first checks if the stack has space. If space is available, it adds the element and updates the top. Otherwise, it prints an error message. This condition ensures that we don't push when the stack is full. If we try to push another element when the stack is already full, it does not get added. Instead, we get an error saying, "Stack is full. Cannot push 6." This is the pop function. It checks if the stack is empty before removing an element. If the stack is not empty, it removes the top element and decreases the top index. If we try to pop an element when the stack is empty, it does not work. Instead, we get an error saying, "Stack is empty. Cannot pop." To summarize, stacks are widely used in function calls, undo operations, and expression evaluation. Understanding them is essential for mastering data structures. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. Keep practicing and happy coding.